Yes, it is. Okay. Uh, there we go. Aha. All right, and takeoff. There we go. That didn't take as long now, did it? Wow. Okay. All right. Hopefully this time is a little bit more successful. So we'll take her up instead of letting her hover, and then we're going to turn her out towards the field. Right now we're pointing north, so we're going to point her east, I think. Go the other direction. There you go, like that. All right, come on. No, we don't want to. There you go. Woo! Apparently, that's as far out as I can go with her. I can go higher. Let's see. Something's not letting me. We can come back this way a little. Yeah. This drone I'm kind of not liking so much. Here, let's bring you down so you can kind of see what I'm seeing. So that's what the drone's looking at right now. And if I try to rotate the drone with the left, it should be turning, on the left controller, it should turn, but it's not. If I push the controller up, it should go higher, but it's not. When I push it lower, it's coming down. And at this point, you should probably see it somewhere. There it is. Now, let's try. See, now it's going left. Now it's going right. And to turn, let's rotate the yeah, I know. Let's there we go. Rotate the gimbal down, the camera gimbal down, and then we'll go up. Right now it's pointing at some, like a grass or something. And let's see, how high are we? It doesn't tell us how high we are.